There are plenty of stoves with more BTUs and a lot cheaper than the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp, but its packaging and ease of use are the reason why you'll want to buy this one. So let's get into that. This is the sort of packaging anyone with a small camper or traveling out of the boot of a car or SUV will appreciate. This Basecamp bundle I've been using for the last 3 to 4 months has twin burners, a 5-litre pot, as well as a fry pan. Now I've seen camper brands starting to promote the Jetboil as a cooking option in their campers, including the recent winner of Camper Trailer of the Year, the Ultimate X-Track. Jetboil suggests the unit will pump out up to 10,000 BTU or British temperature units, which is about 3 kilowatt, and that it will take about 3 to 4 minutes to boil a litre of water. So let's put it to the test. The magic behind Jetboil is this integration of these fins which help hold and spread heat around the underside of the pot. Now this is the same technology used on the original smaller OG Jetboil, and it works fantastically on the bigger unit too. One thing I want to point out is how adjustable you can get the flame. You've got 4 turns lock to lock on this knob, so you can control the flow of gas really accurately. So the non-stick coating on the Jetboil makes cleaning up pretty easy. If you're still warm, you can wipe it out clean with a paper towel or a bit of hot soapy water and you're away laughing. One thing I'm not a huge fan of is the single-use gas canisters that are recommended to use, these 940 odd gram ones. I'm not going to give you all of the parts that we've used to create this, but you can get adapters from Coleman and a few other brands that you can then use a 4.5 kilo gas bottle, which is refillable, or a 9 kilo gas bottle if you really wanted. That way you'll get a lot more use out of it and you won't be disposing of bottles constantly. Now price, I mentioned early on this is not the cheapest cooker out in the market. $649 from a247.com.au, so it's a relatively big chunk of money. But again, if you're looking for something compact, easy to pack away, this is the cooker for you. Now we do have a discount code as well through our friends at a247.com.au. So if you use the code ADVENTURES24 at checkout, you'll save yourself 10%.